Hi everyone, my name is James Frampton. I'm coming to you from the sunny state of Georgia, and today we will be reviewing this drillmaster. It's a electric planer, 3 1/4 inch electric planer. You can purchase this from Harbor Freight. I've got one video already on this tape, and I think people were wanting a little bit more information on this, so I'm going to try to cover everything I possibly can on this unit. The first tape that I put out, it's had a lot of hits, but I believe people were wanting more information on it, and so that's what I'm doing this tape on. I'm going to be planing some pine wood today, and I also we're going to be planing some plywood, rough plywood, rough textured plywood. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we start that, I want to cover this unit, make sure that I get everything in it. Like I said, you can purchase this from Harbor Freight. Drillmaster is the brand name. A 3 1/4 inch electric planer. It's got 5.5 amp motor in it. It'll cut a depth of 1/16 of an inch. So that's the depth that you can get when using this unit. Weighs around 7 pounds. It's got a 90-day warranty. It also comes with a guide, but we're not going to be using that today. It's got a guide that fits here on the side. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look, we're back. This plug, before we get started, I want to show you a little bit. This plug will either go into this side, the left, or the right, and we're going to put it in this way. Put it right there. I want the wood shavings to come out of this hole here. I've got it set at 1/16 of an inch, and this style here you move this style here, and it's got the depth of cut. The next one, let's see, this would be 1.5 of an inch. But I got it set at 1/16 of an inch right here, and you can set the depth by moving this ball here. This right here will also be used when you're gripping this and running the planer on the wood. Also, this trigger will not come on till you press this black button in, and then it'll fire. So that's a little safety feature they have on there. Let's get this up. Put my gloves on. I got my glasses. I got my safety glasses. Let's see what she does. Put that to the side. And now I'm going to bring you closer up to the piece. It does a great job. I mean, it really does. It just does a good job. You can't beat that for the money. It's just smooth. Just real smooth. You can tell this wood here, I mean, it looks like it's weather beat. And this planer just turns it into just look like a brand new one. I mean, it looks just like look at this. Let me go I'm going to fit this side over here. I'm going to check the camera to make sure. I'm going to pull the camera up closer to this, and I'm going to try to get a real good close-up of this. I am going to get, that way you people at home can really see what's going on here. Like I said, it comes with a guide. I ain't going to use the guide. So if I'm a little there like this, it's because I'm not using the guide. Black button in, pull the trigger. I'm going to finish it up on this side here. Okay, the plywood that you're looking at, it's got a little rough texture on it, but that's the way it's supposed to be. In fact, I made a shop door out of this. But if you want to plane it, we're going to see what it does with it. See if it runs it, see if it gets it real smooth. So let me try that. Let's see how it does on this piece of plywood here. I wanted to show you the underside of this electric planer. Here is the blades, cutting blades. You can also make it reverse the blades, and you will be able to do that. You have to look at your owner's manual, and if you misplace your owner's manual, you can also go in Harbor Freight, go under this tool, look up under the drillmaster, the electric wood planer, and you'll find where it has a link there, a link to the whole complete owner's manual on there. This, hope you can see that. There's the drive belt. So it feels good in your hand too. It just feels good in your hand. And this dial here, this knob, is where you dial in your depth cut that you're wanting. You can also put a bag on this and catch the wood chips that come out. If you're outside, it don't really matter, but if you're inside, you can. There's an attachment that you can put a bag on here, and it'll catch all of that to keep your shop real clean. So that's it, the Drillmaster from Harbor Freight. At Harbor Freight, you can get it. What did I say? $32.99 is what you can get this for at Harbor Freight. So, one last thing, I think I had mentioned it before. When you're using it, before you're fixing to use it, you have to push that black button in, hit that red button, and she'll run for you. $32.99, Harbor Freight. So wanted to make sure I put another video out on this and explain it in detail. And that's what I try to do with all my videos, but sometimes you get in a hurry and you just forget little things here and there, so I just wanted to make sure I did a second video on this, and also showing it, planting other types of wood, the pine. So if you like the tape, if you like this video, be sure to thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Share it if you like it. Subscribe if you like it. I would like to thank all my subscribers on YouTube and the members on extrememopars.com. I appreciate all you guys. I mean, I really do. Until next time, I'm James Frampton. Thank you and have a good day. Hi everyone, James Frampton here. I'm coming to you from the sunny state of Georgia. And today, this video will be about the drillmaster. It's a 3/4 inch electric planer. Harbor Freight, you can get it from Harbor Freight. The brand is a drillmaster. You can get this unit for $32.99 on the website is what it says. I have another video of this same planer